welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the box formerly known as Causebox. I may be calling it that for a while because it sounds nice and I like the sound of Causebox a little bit better. But anyways, this is the now Alltrue box. So they have like a little sticker here, and here we go. Please don't rip my box. Alltrue. I don't really know what the purpose of rebranding is. I know, of course, it's their company. They can do whatever they want with it. I'm not a big change person. I know. Sorry. I'm not. So, I'm just, whatever. Just send me the good stuff. Okay, so it says, introducing Alltrue. We're here for good. Change is difficult. Wow, they really know how to get me. Alltrue better represents our mission and our vision to build a community that is defined by truth, kindness, and goodness in everything we do. Okay. A selfless concern for the well-being of others. We are altruists. Could there be a more perfect word to describe this community? Causebox. I'm just kidding. I'm over it. There's a little bit more reading in there. And of course the postcard. I've been very upset they got rid of the postcards. Like, I could totally see myself putting this in my future kitchen someday. Right now it's going over here. This says a guide to summer. Oh, this has the stuff inside of it. Okay. And then there's also this very large magazine. Like, actually I'd call it a newspaper zine because it's made out of like paper, but it's a magazine. New paper zine. Looks like there's like a face mask recipe, something about cleaning supplies, some sort of block printing with root vegetables. Very first thing in here is a very tiny package. This is the Etika bracelet. I'm going to see if I can try to get it on. I will try to show you the gemstone in it, but it is very tiny. It is very dainty. So that, I don't know if it's going to focus. There you go. There's a tiny little gemstone in it. I'm going to try to undo it. I may make it a little bit bigger than I normally would wear it because I have very tiny wrists, but enough to like maybe just slide it on. Okay, I did get it on. Normally I would, well, it's probably not going to fall off, but I would probably make it a little bit tighter, but it is very dainty and delicate, and I don't believe I have anything like this or this dainty or delicate. Okay, next thing, and oh wait, where's the thing? I'll read it at the end. This is Serum. I'm just kidding. It's Serum, and it says face serum brightening, revitalizing, smoothing, dark spot reducing, complexion toning, and tissue repairing, which all sound amazing. With it being a brightening, it makes me want to think this is supposed to be like a vitamin C product, but I cannot explicitly find anything on here that states that it has vitamin C in it. However, I think I have another one of these that I recently got. Have it fun send it? I got another one somehow. I think I'm going to put it in the next in line after the vitamin C I'm currently using and see if it does the same thing. By the way, my skin has been looking so much better lately. We'll talk about that in another video though. What is the brand of this though? Way of Will. Okay, next is from Hanalei. I do like Hanalei's lip balm that they have. Is that balm? Like gooby? Squeeze it out of a tube? This is SPF 15 Hawaiian Lip Balm Trio. Now, I'm not really a fan of like lip balms, chapstick type things anymore. However, with it being SPF 15, I think that's great for summertime. I am going to go on a vacation and I had a Neutrogena one, but I don't know how like nourishing it is, so maybe these will be better. There's Island Mint, Tropical Citrus, and Unscented. I may also take one of these and put them in my teacher's desk at work. That way I can protect my lips when we go out to recess, but also keep them nice and moisturized because my kindergartners care so much. They don't. Okay, another thing in the skincare world, we had like 3 skincare beauty things this time, or at least I did from some of my choices, was the Cosmetics Bacuchiol Complete Plant-Based Retinol Alternative Serum. So I wonder if you could use this if you were pregnant. I don't know. That's not really a problem that I have, but since it's not actual retinol, it's an alternative, retinol alternative, I wonder if it would be safe to use while somebody was pregnant. I've heard of this brand before. I don't know if I've ever used anything from them though. Another thing in here is a thermos. Reduce, it says on the back, top rack dishwasher safe, made in China, vacuum insulated. That's why I was having trouble getting it open. Because fresh food is the best food. Eco-friendly and perfect for on-the-go meals and snacks. Parfait. I can take ice cream to work. Oatmeal, soup, fruit, anything. This product is dishwasher safe. It is made with 18/8 stainless steel. Okay, there's a whole bunch of other things. Do not microwave this product. Okay, because it's made out of steel and it will make your microwave like catch on fire. It says it can keep something hot for 7 hours, something cold for 20 hours. It can keep my ice cream super cold. Leak proof, vacuum insulated, and dishwasher safe. It's pretty big too. That could fit a lot of ice cream. And the last thing in here, I always feel like Causeboxes go so quickly because they only have 6 things. This is Bamboozle 5-piece nesting bowls. I thought these are really cute and something I could use in my kitchen someday. So we have a white bowl. I would have to be careful with these. I feel like they break really easy, but maybe not. They're very light. And then an orange bowl, or more of like a terracotta yellow bowl, mustard bowl. I will not be putting mustard in it though. A greeny bowl, and then of course the bigger blue bowl. I just got a text from my mom, and she thinks she found like an actual ladybug, which is rare for where we live. Usually they're like those orange, we call them ladybug imposters, orange bugs, and then whenever you kill them, they stink really bad. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the box. So let's look through this pamphlet that we get now. Does it have what? Okay, where's number 1? I may have opened this wrong. I don't like these types of things. Okay, choice product 1. We had the bowls, a cooler tote, an oversized roundy towel, which I have a roundy towel that I have never even used, so that's why I didn't go for that one, and waffle dish towels. I have, no, those are hand towels. It just wasn't something that I wanted currently. So the nesting bowls, I think they did the same thing that FabFitFun does. It doesn't say the prices. I feel like that's a disservice to us. I want to know how much these things are worth, even if it's a stupid amount and totally not worth the price. Choice 2 was the reduce to go bowl. A set of packing cubes. I have plenty of packing cubes. And the packable hammock. I don't know where I would have put it, but it was too late. I went back to add the packable hammock, like to buy it. I couldn't, it was closed. So again, don't know how much that is. Choice 3 was either the bracelet or a small hours traveling cutlery set. I chose the bracelet. Don't know how much it is. Choice product 4. I don't see any other choices. Oh, I remember. It was cosmetics. You got the retinol serum, but it's not retinol. It is alternative retinol. Or mattifying moisturizer, and I went with the retinol. It didn't really tell me anything about the retinol. Choice product 5 was brightening face serum or OMG leave-in conditioner blend. I have been being nicer to my hair here lately, but I have a lot of hair care products that I need to use. And then everyone got the Hanalei chapsticks, lipsticks, lip trios is what they're calling them. Okay, so I can't add up to see how much this is at all. That was fast. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'd really appreciate it. So thanks. Bye.